In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install MySQL on your Windows PC 10, 11, any of them. So you just open your browser like this and you tap or you search MySQL. Good. And then you should find MySQL. Depends on the browser you're using. I'm using Edge. With Chrome, you're going to find it same way. You hop on the site like this. Now you move to downloads. Good. So on the downloads, let's scroll to the bottom. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So now let's tap on that. Good. And then after the downloads, we tap on the MySQL installer for Windows. So we tap on that too as well. So here we would have to select the version we want. Let's select the 8.046, and then we are using Windows, just like I said earlier in the video. Now let's select the 86 to 32 bits. So tap on the download here. Good. And for you to download, you need to create an account or sign up, but let's not do that. So let's tap on no thanks. Let's tap my downloads. So I have the MySQL installer here. So I just open the folder after I download, and there's it. So now I'll double tap like I'm trying to install it on the PC. You can see there's a startup, and this is how it looks like. So now you can select from any of this here: server only, client only, full, and the rest. So now let's select custom. So I select what I want to be installed. So now I double tap on the MySQL server. I select the 8.0. I tap on the first one, and you see the button here. I tap on that to bring it here. I tap on this to close it. I think if you use a PC, this is quite simple. Then on the applications, we are going to double tap on the Workbench. We need that. Good. So now let's select the first one too as well. So we tap on this to bring it inside. So if you want to remove it, you tap on it here and then you bring it back. You get it. You tap on this to bring it back. So now let's close it. Let's minimize it. And now we need the shell too as well. So let's double tap the shell. And now let's select the first option for the shell. And now we tap on this here to bring the shell too as well. I think it's okay for now. What we have is okay. But then there is documentation here. You can add MySQL documentation if you want that too. So select the documentation, the first one, 8.0, and you bring it here. Good. And after that, we tap on next. Yeah. And then we tap on next again. Yeah. So now the installation is going to start. So we just tap on execute to execute. So it's going to install. First is my server, second is my Workbench, and the third is my shell, and then the last is my documentation I added. So now let's wait. So our installation is done. So now we tap on next here after everything is complete. Now this section to product configuration is next. Good. And we tap on this section to we just tap on next too as well. And we need to create a password. You can see, so use a strong password. So next to create the password, so I create something here. So I'm done. So I can just tap on next here. Good. And then I tap on next as well and grant full access next. And now we just execute this. We apply the configuration. Good. And we are done. So now we tap on finish to finish our installation. And you can see MySQL Server 8.0 blah 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 configuration complete. Next. Good. So now we just finish our installation and this should pop up just like you saw earlier. It's saying it's going to, yeah, and I'm going to show you guys something too as well. So now let's come here. So now let's open Workbench. Good. So now let's double tap. Good. So we have Workbench opened. So now to start our database, just tap on the database, connect to database. Good. We just tap on OK. And then we enter our password we created during our installation. Else it's not going to open. You'd have to uninstall it and create a new one. So OK. Good. And there's the interface. Simple and easy. So you can start your everything, create database, blah blah blah, OPL, and then you just simple and easy. So that's it. So you can just start working with it. So also there are some people that are going to use or going to call the MySQL in the command prompt. This is what you need to do too as well in order to help Windows find your everything you're trying to search with the MySQL using the command section. So what we are going to do is we hop on this PC here. Good. So C, and you move to program files, and then you can see MySQL folder here. Good. And then you can see the server. Let's move to server, and under server you can see bin here. Good. So you open the bin. All you're going to do is the bin is a binary something something. So what you're going to do is tap on here to copy the link. It's like the path. We are trying to copy the path. So anytime we try to enter MySQL command in the command line on our PC, it's going to find it easily. It's going to help Windows find it easily. So what we are going to do is we're going to open control panel here. Good. And we are going to search environment variable. Yeah, we open that. Good. So you can see we have this here. So what we are going to do is, you see the path here, we tap on path and we are going to add a new path, something like that. So we tap on new and then we paste the one we copied and then we tap on OK and OK and we close it. And now let's try to do something here. So now let's come to command and let's try call it. So this is for people that are going to use the command here, but then if you're not going to use it, all this is not necessary. So I think the code is MySQL. The command is MySQL 1.2, then version. Let's see whether it works. And you can see, so MySQL is installed perfectly. This is the version and everything. So they have a U something something code that you can use and enter your password, and you see it's also going to configure itself here too as well. So that's it on how you install MySQL on your Windows PC. I've walked you guys through everything, how to open Workbench and even work on there. And also if you want to be running the command section too, that's it. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can uninstall it if you've forgotten your password and everything, how you can uninstall it and everything. So that's it. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.